The Wave, USA. In Arizona's Vermilion Cliffs wilderness, the wave is a sandstone marvel sculpted by wind and water over millions of years. Its flowing wave-like ridges display a stunning array of reds, oranges, and yellows, creating an illusion of motion frozen in time. Accessible only by a challenging trek through rugged terrain, the wave remains an exclusive and protected wonder. Its surreal beauty and intricate geological patterns make it a dream destination for hikers and photographers alike, offering a rare encounter with nature's artistic mastery. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Like a giant mirror in the heart of South America, Salar de Uyuni is a unique natural wonder. Once a prehistoric lake, it has now become the world's largest salt flat, stretching endlessly to the horizon. During the rainy season, its pristine white surface reflects the vast sky, creating a dreamlike scene where heaven and earth seem to merge into one. Beneath your feet, the thick salt crust crackles, a reminder of the ancient movements of our planet. As the sun sets, hues of gold and pink blend together like the strokes of a surreal painting. This is not just a destination for nature lovers, but a place where travelers feel as if they are drifting into a dreamlike realm. Waitomo Glowworm Caves, New Zealand. Beneath the rolling green hills of New Zealand lies a hidden world of enchantment, the Waitomo Glowworm Caves. This underground wonder is illuminated by thousands of tiny glowworms that emit a soft blue light, transforming the cavern ceilings into a starry night sky. These bioluminescent creatures, unique to New Zealand, create an ethereal atmosphere that captivates visitors. The caves themselves are adorned with striking limestone formations, including stalactites and stalagmites that have taken thousands of years to form. Whether exploring on foot or drifting silently through the underground river by boat, visitors are treated to a serene and unforgettable spectacle, a natural light show unlike any other on Earth. Socotra Island, Yemen. Tucked away in the Arabian Sea, Socotra Island is often described as one of the most otherworldly places on Earth. Isolated for millions of years, this island has developed a unique ecosystem where nearly a third of its plant species exist nowhere else. Among them, the iconic dragon's blood tree, with its umbrella-like canopy and crimson sap, stands as a symbol of the island's surreal beauty. The landscape of Socotra is a dramatic mix of golden beaches, towering limestone plateaus, and hidden caves shaped by harsh climatic conditions. Beyond its natural wonders, the island also holds a rich cultural heritage, with a small local population that speaks Socotri, an ancient language passed down orally through generations. 4. Pamukkale, Turkey. In the heart of Turkey lies Pamukkale, a breathtaking natural marvel known as the Cotton Castle. This stunning site is famed for its white terraces formed by travertine, a type of limestone deposited by mineral-rich hot springs. Over centuries, these cascading pools have drawn visitors seeking their reputed therapeutic benefits, shimmering in shades of turquoise under the sunlight. Adding to its charm, Pamukkale is also home to the ancient Greco-Roman city of Hierapolis. Once a thriving spa city, its ruins now stand as a testament to a bygone era, offering a fascinating blend of history and natural wonder. Here, travelers can wander through ancient relics and immerse themselves in the ethereal beauty of Pamukkale's mineral-rich terraces, where nature and history intertwine in perfect harmony. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, China. Nestled in China's Hunan province, Junjaji National Forest Park is a mesmerizing landscape of towering sandstone pillars, shrouded in mist and mystery. Home to over 3,000 vertical quartzite columns, some reaching heights of hundreds of meters, the park's surreal scenery has long inspired artists and filmmakers, most notably serving as the inspiration for the floating Hallelujah Mountains in the movie Avatar. Beyond its breathtaking rock formations, the park boasts a rich ecosystem filled with dense forests and diverse wildlife. A highlight for thrill seekers is the world's longest and highest glass bridge, offering panoramic views of the stunning landscape below. Junjaji seamlessly blends natural splendor with exhilarating adventure, making it a must-visit destination for explorers and dreamers alike. Lake Hillier, Australia. Off the coast of Western Australia, Lake Hillier captivates with its vivid pink hue, an astonishing contrast against the deep blue of the surrounding ocean. This saline lake owes its unusual coloration to the presence of Dunaliella salina microalgae, which thrive in its highly salty waters. These microorganisms produce carotenoid pigments, giving the lake its iconic bubblegum pink tint. Encircled by a narrow band of white salt deposits and dense eucalyptus forests, Lake Hillier presents an otherworldly scene, particularly when viewed from above. While the lake is considered safe for swimming, its remote location means that it is most often admired from the air, offering travelers a glimpse into one of nature's most fascinating anomalies. Rainbow Mountains, Peru. Hidden within the Peruvian Andes, the Rainbow Mountains, or Vinicunca, offer a mesmerizing display of nature's artistry. Mineral deposits have created vibrant layers of red, yellow, green, and purple, forming a breathtaking, multicolored landscape that seems almost surreal. Once concealed beneath glaciers, these radiant peaks were only revealed as global temperatures rose, exposing the stunning geological formations beneath. Trekking through this striking terrain is not just a visual feast, but also a journey through millions of years of Earth's geological evolution, making it one of Peru's most treasured natural landmarks. Cappadocia, Turkey. A land of whimsical rock formations and ancient underground cities, Cappadocia is a place where nature and history intertwine seamlessly. Its famed fairy chimneys, tall, cone-shaped rock spires, have been sculpted by volcanic activity and erosion over millennia, creating a surreal and enchanting landscape. Beyond its geological wonders, Cappadocia is steeped in history. Early civilizations carved homes, churches, and even entire cities into the soft volcanic rock, leaving behind a network of hidden dwellings and Byzantine frescoes. Today, visitors can experience its magic from above in a hot air balloon, watching as the sun rises over a landscape that seems plucked from a dream. Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. A breathtaking seascape of limestone karsts rising from emerald waters, Ha Long Bay is one of Vietnam's most iconic natural wonders. With over 1,600 islands and islets, the bay is steeped in legend, its name meaning descending dragon, referring to a mythical tale of dragons sent to protect the land. Beyond its mystical allure, Ha Long Bay is home to hidden caves, floating fishing villages, and diverse marine life. The calm waters invite exploration by boat or kayak, while the dramatic scenery transforms with the shifting light, offering an ever-changing spectacle of beauty and tranquility.